Find the value of x below. Find the value of x below. You have 3 over x minus 1 plus 4 over x plus 2 equal to 0. Now, how do we get our x? How do we solve for x? Very simple. Now, let's do this. I'm repeating the question. You have your 3 over x minus 1 plus 4 over x plus 2 equal to 0. Now, in order to get this, we have two methods of solving. There are two methods of solving this. But we're teaching you the simplest method, the simplest way of arriving at the answer. And how? This is what you do. You see this here, I want us to separate it. We'll carry the whole of this. I want us to take the whole of this to the other side. We take plus 4 over x plus 2. We take it to the other side to meet 0. And when we do that, the positive sign changes to negative sign. You see it now? So in doing that, it will be 3 over x minus 1 equal to, when it crosses, it becomes 4 over x plus 2. Have you seen it? Now, having done this, whenever you have equality sign in between both fractions, whenever you have an equality sign is appearing in both fractions, the next thing that should come to your mind is cross multiply. You cross multiply. Thereby using this to multiply this and this to multiply this. So now let's use this to multiply this. This will be 3, open the bracket, x plus 2, close the bracket. You put the equality sign. This times this, it will be minus 4, open the bracket, x minus 1, you close the bracket. Now what should be the next thing? We need to open our bracket. Open our bracket. Now in opening the bracket, you use the number outside to multiply everything inside the bracket. So it will be 3 times x, 3x, plus 3 times 2 is 6, equal to minus 4 times x gives us minus 4x, minus times minus is plus, 4 times 1 is 4. So having done this, you watch. We have two things that look alike. This and this looks alike, while this and this looks alike. Now, what will be the next thing? We are collecting our alike things. I want you to collect those that looks alike. Those that looks alike should be at a particular place, while the other parts will be at the other side. Now, doing this, 3x comes here. Now, minus 4x, when it crosses over, changes to plus 4x. Equal to, you have your 4. When plus 6 crosses over, it changes to minus 6. So 3x plus 4x will give us 7x. Equal to 4 minus 6 will give us minus 2. So what should we do? The next, we want the x as our answer. We divide both sides by the coefficient, which is divided by 7. Now, 7 cancels out. So what is remaining? You have your x left. This will give us minus 2 over 7 as the answer. Minus 2 over 7 is the x. Thank you.